Hey everyone! If your League of Legends client is crashing, freezing, or not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to repair the League of Legends client. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open the Riot client. Sign in to your account if needed. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then click Settings. Select League of Legends from the left menu. Scroll down to the Troubleshooting section. Click Repair. Then click Yes to confirm. The Riot client will now scan and repair any damaged or missing game files. This process may take a few minutes, so wait until it's finished. Once the repair is complete, restart the Riot client. Then launch League of Legends. Check if your problem has been fixed. If the issue still continues, restart your computer. Then try launching the game again. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having this problem, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.